Working at the Riverland Group is really rewarding and it's really fun. I've been working here for about 3 years now at Riverland and I've enjoyed it so much. One of the things that I love about working here is the thorough training.
The opportunities that it does present are kind of tailored to people at every sort of level, so you can come in, you know, you're an 18-year-old, you know, you've maybe decided not to pursue, you know, like an academic route through uni, but you still want to learn skills that will help you sort of in the working world. And this is a place that can sort of offer you the training to get those skills, and those skills are transferable.
Yeah, the Wellbeing program has been a fantastic way to encourage staff to kind of have a good work-life balance. So we do things like yoga classes before work, socialise a little bit, and then kind of get yourself ready for the day. The educational days have been a really great way to get staff excited about the products we serve and the producers that we interact with. We've had an excursion out to Four Pillars Gin Distillery, which was obviously a favourite with the staff.
Cross-training is always really good, I think, in any aspect of the business.
Yeah, I think an opportunity for experience in head office in marketing or administration is a really beneficial program because I think it's a way to gain other professional experience in different areas.
From someone who's worked in, you know, lots of different aspects of hospitality and in a few different countries, it's quite a nurturing place to work. It's quite wholesome in comparison to other venues. You know, there's definitely things in place that sort of make you feel quite well supported as a worker, you know, especially someone who wants to progress within the industry.
We've got lots of support in the Riverland Group. Running a venue is a big job and there's lots of moving parts, so having a head office with different departments and experts in their field really takes the pressure off. Lets me focus on running a venue and looking after my staff, and it's a fantastic team environment.
Yeah, the 50% off is amazing, it's very generous.
The 50% off discount for the group obviously is like a huge benefit, and it's an important social aspect of I think, of the workplace, so yeah, it's good. I think everyone appreciates it.
So the Riverland Group really recognises and rewards hard work from the staff, recognising someone that's gone over and above. We have a yearly awards night where we all get together and celebrate what we've achieved over the year.
I think working for like a socially conscious group is really, really important to me actually. The group has always been really open to suggestions in terms of like community outreach.
And cooking for those in need is a great initiative. As well, meet new people and it's a really rewarding experience that you can learn a lot from. Yeah, I really loved working with the Riverland Group and definitely see myself working with them for a while.
They wouldn't regret coming to work for the Riverland Group. It's got lots of things to offer and for various reasons. No matter what your skill set or your background, I think you probably feel really rewarded at some stage by coming here.